The Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR is a part of the Luzon Island Group. It is composed of 6 provinces, 2 cities, 75 municipalities, and 1,178 barangays. The regional center is the city of Baguio. The Cordillera Administrative Region is officially designated as CAR, is an administrative region in the Philippines occupying the northern central section of Luzon. It covers 6 provinces, namely Abra, Apayao, Benguet, Ifugao, Kalinga, and Mountain Province, as well as 1 highly urbanized city and the regional center or the regional capital, the city of Baguio. The Cordillera Administrative Region is bordered on the east by the Cagayan Valley and the west by the Ilocos region. The following are the 6 provinces comprising the Cordillera Administrative Region. First, we have the province of Abra, composed of 0 cities, 27 municipalities, and 303 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital of the province of Abra is Benguet. For the province of Apayao, there are 0 cities, 7 municipalities, and 133 barangays. The provincial capital or the provincial center is Cabugao. For the province of Benguet, there are 0 cities, 13 municipalities, and 140 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital is 𝗪𝗓𝗓𝗓. For the province of Ifugao, there are 0 cities, 11 municipalities, and 176 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital for the province of Ifugao is Lagawe. For the province of Kalinga, there is 1 city, and that is Tabuk City, which also serves as the provincial center or the provincial capital. For Kalinga province, there is 1 city, 7 municipalities, and 153 barangays. For Mountain Province, there is 0 city, 10 municipalities, and 144 barangays. Once again, for the Cordillera Administrative Region, there are 6 provinces, 2 cities, 75 municipalities, and 1,178 barangays. Let us once again recall the different provinces and their provincial centers or their provincial capitals. For the province of Abra, we have Benguet. For the province of Apayao, we have Cabugao. For the province of Benguet, we have 𝗪𝗓𝗓𝗓. For the province of Ifugao, we have Lagawe. For the province of Kalinga, we have Tabuk City. And for Mountain Province, we have Bontoc. And that is all about some things that you need to know about the Cordillera Administrative Region. The province of Abra is a part of the Luzon Island Group in the Cordillera Administrative Region. It is composed of 0 city, 27 municipalities, and 303 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital is the municipality of Benguet. The 27 municipalities comprising the province of Abra are the following. We have the municipality of Benguet, which is also the provincial capital or the provincial center. It is composed of 31 barangays. The municipality of Bolini is composed of 8 barangays. The municipality of Bukay is composed of 21 barangays. The municipality of Boklok is composed of 4 barangays. The municipality of 𝗪𝗪𝗓𝗓𝗓 is composed of 4 barangays. The municipality of Danglas is composed of 7 barangays. The municipality of Dolores is composed of 15 barangays. The Municipality of La Paz is composed of 12 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗢𝗓𝗡 is composed of 6 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗢𝗓 is composed of 17 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗢𝗓 is composed of 5 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗢𝗓 is composed of 6 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗖𝗟𝗡𝗢𝗓𝗢𝗓 is composed of 11 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗀𝗎𝗓 is composed of 8 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗪𝗏𝒡𝒡𝗡 is composed of 12 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗪𝗏𝒡𝒡𝗡 is composed of 11 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗖𝗟𝗔𝗦𝗢𝗓 is composed of 9 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗎𝑑𝑖gan is composed of 15 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗓𝗚𝗓 is composed of 19 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗖𝗟𝗢𝗓𝗢𝗓 is composed of 9 barangays. The Municipality of San Isidro is composed of 9 barangays. The Municipality of San Juan is composed of 19 barangays. The Municipality of San Quintin is composed of 6 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗖𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗓 is composed of 11 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗓𝒐𝒡𝒡𝒃 is composed of 10 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗎𝒐𝒡𝒃 is composed of 10 barangays. And the Municipality of 𝗪𝗑𝒪 is composed of 8 barangays. All in all, once again, there are 27 municipalities in the province of Abra, and it is composed of 303 barangays. And that is all about this video, comprising the different municipalities and cities and barangays in the province of Abra. The province of Apayao is a part of the Luzon Island Group in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR. It is composed of 0 cities, 7 municipalities, and 133 barangays. The following are the 7 municipalities comprising the province of Apayao. We have the Municipality of Calanasan, which is composed of 18 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓, which is composed of 21 barangays. The Municipality of Flora, which is composed of 16 barangays. The Municipality of Cabugao, which is also the provincial capital or the provincial center, is composed of 21 barangays. The Municipality of Luna is composed of 22 barangays. The Municipality of Bodol is composed of 22 barangays, and the Municipality of Santa Marcela, which is composed of 13 barangays. All in all, once again, there are 7 municipalities in the province of Apayao, and it is composed of 133 barangays. Once again, the following are the 7 municipalities in the province of Apayao: Municipality of Calanasan, Municipality of 𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓, Municipality of Flora, Municipality of Cabugao, Municipality of Luna, Municipality of Bodol, and the Municipality of Santa Marcela. And that is all about some things which you need to know about the province of Apayao. The province of Benguet is a part of the Luzon Island Group in the Cordillera Administrative Region. It is composed of one highly urbanized city, and that's the city of Baguio. It has 13 municipalities and 140 barangays, excluding the city of Baguio. The provincial capital or the provincial center is the Municipality of 𝗓𝗏𝗏. The city of Baguio is commonly grouped with the province, although it is administratively independent due to its distinction as a highly urbanized city. The following are the different municipalities comprising the province of Benguet. We have the Municipality of 𝗖𝗏𝗡𝗘, which is composed of 8 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗢𝗡𝗡, which is composed of 7 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗢𝗡𝗘, which is composed of 10 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗖𝗢𝗔𝗦𝗍, which is composed of 14 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗖𝗛𝗔𝗦𝗦, which is composed of 9 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗙, which is composed of 13 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗖𝗙𝗡𝗙, which is composed of 15 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗖𝗎𝗡𝗙, which is composed of 7 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗡𝗙, which is also the provincial center or the provincial capital, is composed of 16 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗡𝗙, which is composed of 12 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗧𝗔𝗚𝗓𝗏, which is composed of 8 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗎𝗏𝗂, which is composed of 13 barangays, and the Municipality of 𝗎𝗎𝗓𝗏, which is composed of 8 barangays. Once again, for the province of Benguet, there are 13 municipalities and 140 barangays, excluding the highly urbanized city of Baguio. Let us once again recall the 13 municipalities. We have the Municipality of 𝗖𝗏𝗡𝗘, Municipality of 𝗢𝗏𝗡, Municipality of 𝗢𝗡𝗘, Municipality of 𝗢𝗎𝗓𝗏, Municipality of 𝗖𝗏𝗔𝗦𝗦, Municipality of 𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏, Municipality of 𝗓𝗡𝗙𝗏, Municipality of 𝗓𝗎𝗓𝗏, Municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗡𝗙, Municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗡𝗙, Municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗏, Municipality of 𝗎𝗏𝗂, and the Municipality of 𝗎𝗏𝗧. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Benguet. The province of Ifugao is a part of the Luzon Island Group in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR. It is composed of 0 cities, 11 municipalities, and 176 barangays. The 11 municipalities comprising the province of Ifugao are the following: the Municipality of Aguinaldo, which is composed of 16 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, which is composed of 20 barangays, the Municipality of Asipulo, which is composed of 10 barangays, the Municipality of Banawe, which is composed of 18 barangays, the Municipality of Hengyon, which is composed of 12 barangays, the Municipality of Hongduman, which is composed of 9 barangays, the Municipality of Quiangan, which is composed of 14 barangays, the Municipality of Lagawe, which is also the provincial capital or the provincial center, is composed of 20 barangays, the Municipality of Lamot, which is composed of 18 barangays, the Municipality of Mayuyao, which is composed of 27 barangays, and the Municipality of Tinok, which is composed of 12 barangays. Once again, the 11 municipalities comprising the province of Ifugao are the following: the Municipality of Aguinaldo, Municipality of Alfonso Lista, Municipality of Asipulo, Municipality of Banawe, Municipality of Hengyon, Municipality of Hongduan, Municipality of Quiangan, Municipality of Lagawe, Municipality of Lamot, Municipality of Mayuyao, and the Municipality of Tinok. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Ifugao in the Cordillera Administrative Region. The province of Kalinga is a part of the Luzon Island Group in the Cordillera Administrative Region. The provincial center or the provincial capital is Tabuk City. There is one city, and that's Tabuk City. There are 7 municipalities and 153 barangays. The province of 𝗢𝗡𝗢 in the Philippines is situated or a part of the Cordillera Administrative Region occupying the northern central section of Luzon. The province of 𝗢𝗢𝗢 is bordered clockwise from the north by Apayao, Cagayan, Isabela, Mountain Province, and Abra. The following are the 7 municipalities comprising the province of 𝗢𝗢𝗢. First is we have the municipality of Balbalan, which is composed of 14 barangays. The municipality of Lubuagan, which is composed of 9 barangays. The municipality of Pasil, which is composed of 14 barangays. The municipality of Pinokpok with 23 barangays. The municipality of Rizal comprising 14 barangays. The city of Tabuk, which serves as the provincial center or the provincial capital, has 43 barangays. The municipality of Tanudan, which has 16 barangays, and the municipality of Tinglayan, which is composed of 20 barangays. Once again, the province of 𝗢𝗢𝗢 is a part of the Luzon Island Group in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR, which has 1 city, 7 municipalities, 153 barangays, and the provincial center or the provincial capital is Tabuk City. Mountain Province is a part of the Luzon Island Group in the Cordillera Administrative Region. It is composed of 0 cities, 10 municipalities, and 144 barangays. The 10 municipalities comprising Mountain Province, which has a total of about 144 barangays, are the following. We have the municipality of Barleg, which is composed of 11 barangays. The municipality of Bauco, which is composed of 22 barangays. The municipality of Besao, which is composed of 14 barangays. The municipality of Bontoc, which also serves as the provincial center or the provincial capital, is composed of 16 barangays. The municipality of Natonin, which is composed of 11 barangays. The municipality of Paracelis, comprising 9 barangays. The municipality of Sabangan, which is composed of 15 barangays. The municipality of Sadanga, comprising 8 barangays. The municipality of Sagada, which is composed of 19 barangays. And the municipality of Tadian, which is composed of 19 barangays. Once again, the 10 municipalities comprising Mountain Province are the following: Municipality of Barleg, Municipality of Bauco, Municipality of Besao, Municipality of Bontoc, Municipality of Natunin, Municipality of Paracelis, Municipality of Sabangan, Municipality of Sadanga, Municipality of Sagada, and the Municipality of Tadian. There are 10 municipalities and 144 barangays. And that is all about the different things that you need to know about Mountain Province. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.